Stop struggling with slow boot ups and endless loading screens. If your current PC is testing your patience, you're about to discover the ultimate guide to reviving its performance. We're diving deep into Windows 10 and 11 to unearth the optimization techniques that will make your old computer feel responsive, fast, and ready for anything you throw at it. Your productivity and sanity will thank you. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now so you never miss tips that can transform your tech life. Old PCs often slow down because of clutter, temporary files, cached updates, and downloads you never look at again. Windows 10 has a built-in tool called Storage Sense. Head to Settings, System, Storage, and turn on Storage Sense to automatically clear temporary files. You can also manually run disk cleanup by searching for it in the Start menu. Select your main drive and tick things like temporary internet files, system cache, and recycle bin. This not only frees up space, but also gives your drive more breathing room, which directly improves speed. One of the most common reasons older PCs crawl at startup is unnecessary programs launching in the background. Windows 10 often lets apps like Spotify, OneDrive, or even Skype Auto Start eating up precious memory. To fix this, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager, then click on the Startup tab. Here, you'll see which apps are enabled at boot. Disable anything that's not essential, like auto updaters or chat apps. The fewer items that load, the quicker your PC will reach the desktop. You'll be surprised how much this alone can shave off your boot time. Windows 10 often prioritizes visual effects, like shadows and animations, over speed. But if you're working with an older PC, those visuals drain resources you can't afford to waste. Right-click on this PC, go to Properties, then click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance. You'll notice the fancy animations disappear, but your system will respond faster. For balance, you can also select Custom and keep only what you like, such as smooth fonts for readability, while disabling the rest. Old PCs often struggle because of bloatware, those pre-installed apps and trial programs you never use. They run in the background, eat memory, and slow everything down. Go to Settings, Apps Features, and uninstall anything unnecessary, like trial antiviruses or OEM tools. Clearing them out frees up resources and makes Windows much snappier. Another silent killer of old PCs is background apps that constantly run, update, and consume memory. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps, and you'll see a long list of apps running even when you're not using them. Turn off everything you don't need. For most users, disabling apps like Weather, Xbox, or News will free up resources without affecting daily use. This small tweak can drastically reduce CPU and memory usage, giving you smoother multitasking. If you're using an older mechanical hard drive, fragmentation can slow down how files are read and written. Luckily, Windows 10 has a built-in optimization tool. Search, defragment, and optimize drives in the Start menu, select your main drive, and click Optimize. For SSD users, don't worry. Windows will run a trim command instead, which helps maintain performance. Make this a monthly habit, and your drive will stay healthy and responsive. Finally, don't ignore updates. Outdated drivers and missing security patches can make your PC unstable and sluggish. Go to Settings, Update Security, and check for updates regularly. For drivers, you can either use Device Manager to update manually, or visit your PC manufacturer's site for the latest drivers. A fully updated system not only performs better, but also stays more secure. By disabling unnecessary startup programs, cleaning up storage, adjusting performance settings, managing background apps, optimizing your drive, and keeping updates current, you've just revived your old PC. These simple Windows 10 tricks can make your computer feel years younger without spending a cent. Try them today and let me know in the comments how much faster your PC feels now. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who has a slow computer, and subscribe for more powerful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.